Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, before we start with the drafting, let us spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best view to start this drawing would be in the front view. So we'll first change the view to front view, and using the P-line command, we'll begin by drawing one line of 180 units, then upwards 56 units, then to the left 28 units, then downwards 21 units. Why 21? Because 56 minus 35, so 21 units. Then to the left it would be 180 minus 32 minus 28, so this would be 120. Then we would go on the top 45 units, and that is because this whole distance is 80 units and this distance is 35, so 80 minus 35, so this distance would be 45. Then we would go to the left, and you can see the radius for this fillet is 28, hence we'll go to the left as 28, then come down 30 units, then to the left 4 units, which is specified over here, and then C for close. So we'll get this profile in the front view. Then we go into the isometric view and extrude this to a thickness of 70 units. Then we'll proceed with making this profile. Now, while making this profile, it is recommended that you first change the view to the left view. And in the left view, on the side, we'll begin by drawing one circle of 16 dia, and same center point another circle of 32 dia. Then we'll draw one line. You can see this distance is 21 and this distance is 25. So we'll draw one line quadrantial to this downwards 4 units from here, and another line of 4 units from here, and then join it over here and cut this circle. Then extrude this outside to a thickness of 28 units. You can see this is the 28 units. And then we'll move that entity from the center of this to the center of this particular surface. Then we'll use the union command and join both these entities and make it into one. Now we are left with making this profile. So again, being in the left view, we'll begin by drawing one line from the base, and that line would be of 32 units, upward 19 units, then 3 units to the right, upward 22 units, 26 units this way, downwards 22, then again to the right 3 units, and C for close. Then we'll bring that profile in the center, and then using the press pull, we'll pull it outside and we get this cut. And our geometry would be complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with this drafting. Remember, I have provided you the link for this file in the description of this video. I would urge you to open that file and practice along with me. So we'll first change the view . So we'll first change the view to front view. Now we are in the front view, and we use the P-line command of AutoCAD and begin our drawing from here. So we'll first begin, we'll turn the ortho on. So we'll begin by drawing one line of 180 units. Then moving that line upward to a distance of 56 units. Then to the left 28 units. Then downward 21 units. Then to the left 120 units. Then upward 45 units. Then to the left 28 units. Then downwards 30 units. Then to the left 4 units. And finally C for close. And our profile is ready. Now we use the fillet command of AutoCAD and R for radius and give the radius as 28 and click on this and we get the filleted part. Next we go into the southwest isometric view and we extrude the profile. So we extrude this profile to a thickness of 70 units. So we type 70 and hit enter. And we change from 2D wireframe to shades of grey. Now we'll make this back portion. So the first thing, as I told you, is we would change the view to left view. You can see the grids over here. And we'll begin by drawing this outer circle of 32 dia. So we select circle and we select center diameter. Click anywhere outside and draw a circle of 32 dia. Then we use the line command and draw one line from here downwards 4 units, to the right 32 units and upwards 4 units. Press enter. Now we use the trim command. So we type TR double enter, select cutting edges, and this is one of the cutting edge and this is the second cutting edge. Press enter and then click on the circle and our profile is ready. We press escape to come out of the trim command. Now we'll press pull this to a thickness of 28 units. So we use press pull and we select our profile and press enter. So we use press pull, select our profile and give a thickness of 28 units. Then press escape to come out of the press pull and we use the move command of AutoCAD. Select on the object, center point you select midpoint of this and move it to the midpoint of this. Then we use the union command of AutoCAD and select both these objects and make it into one. Now we turn the grid off by pressing F7 and now we'll draw this inner circle of 16 dia. So we no longer need this profile, so just select and delete it. We'll bring this in the center and we select center diameter and we click on this so that we get the center point and the diameter is 16 and hit enter. Then we use press pull and select this profile and extrude this outside so that we get a cut like this. Now this profile is done. Now we have to proceed with this profile. So remember we are still in the left view. So we'll begin by again pressing escape to come out of the press pull and we use PL for the P line, polyline, and we begin by drawing one line of 32 units, then upward 19 units, then to the right 3 units, then upward 22 units, then to the right 26 units, then downward 22 units, then to the right 3 units, and C for close. Then we will move this profile, so we use the move command and select this profile, press enter. Base point is midpoint of this, move it to midpoint of this. Then use the press pull, select this entity and pull it outside and we get the cut. Press escape and we no longer need this profile. Delete it and our geometry is now complete. You can use the orbit tool and view your geometry in all possible directions and see your geometry matching with the original geometry. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have seen how to make this geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.